John 17 verse 4. On earth I have given you glory by finishing the work you gave me to do. Part of Jesus' work on earth was to deliver us from evil spirits. Jesus came and subdued them, and in so doing setting us free from them, giving us boldness and courage to believe in Jesus, the Son of God. Mark 5, verse 12 to 13. The demons begged him, send us into the pigs, let us enter them. Jesus let them do this. The evil spirits came out of the man and went into the pigs. The herd of about 2,000 pigs rushed down the cliff into the sea and drowned. Shortly from the above text, unclean spirits going into the pigs symbolically associated the unclean spirits with unclean animals, which was unapproved for the Levitical sacrificial offerings. Jesus later became the perfect Lamb of God, slain for the sins of the world. Unclean spirits into unclean pigs hauls themselves into the sea. The sea symbolizes the flesh and its dead works. The only result evil and the Adamic works of the flesh can produce is death. Life and good works of God is only to be found in the resurrected life of Jesus Christ, in this triumph over death.